Welcome to the Online School News, where we bring you the highlights, achievements, and memorable moments from the month of September, October.
Let's take a proud look at how our Josephites have excelled in classrooms, on stage, and on the sports field.
September began with enthusiasm and creativity. Our young Josephites celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September, expressing gratitude to their mentors, performances, handmade cards, and heartwarming messages.
On the same day, two distinguished teachers of this esteemed institution, Mrs. Uma Swami, was felicitated by the Vipin Jyoti Smarak Samiti Itarsi, and Mrs. Swarnlata was honored by Nagar Palika Parishad Itarsi for their exceptional contribution in the field of education and their service towards the society.
The Jubilee celebration of Mrs. Sheba Daniel and Mrs. Veena Kanodia on Teachers' Day marked a beautiful tribute to their years of dedicated service in this institution.
On 9th September, a dialogue session was organized with MLA Dr. Sita Sharan Sharma ji in the City Auditorium, where students shared their vision of India in 2047.
The half-yearly examination began on 10th September, testing both diligence and determination. On 13th September, Hindi Divas was observed with poetry recitation, skits and speeches, celebrating the beauty of our national language.
On the same day, a comprehensive teachers training program on active learning was conducted to enhance modern teaching methodologies and promote learner-centric classroom practices.
On 27th September, the school organized a heartfelt retirement ceremony for three respected teachers, Mrs. Durga Tiwari, Mrs. Sunita Tiwari, and Mrs. Bambina Dale, appreciating their years of devoted service and dedication to the school community.
Administrative measures followed with LOC signing for class 12 on 27 September and for class 10 on 29 September. On 29 September, we also celebrated Dussehra with pomp and gaiety.
The month concluded with Dussehra holidays from 30th September to 3rd October, giving everyone time for rest and celebration.
October began on a patriotic note. On 2nd October, our students observed Gandhi Jayanti with cleanliness drives, Nukkad Natak and pledges to plant a sapling titled Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam.
On 4th October, an inter-school painting competition was conducted in the school where more than 6 schools from the city participated.
Same day, band display and dance presentation were performed in the City Auditorium on the opening ceremony of the state-level inter-school archery and football tournament in the city.
On 8th October, a school choir presented a welcome song on the closing ceremony of the state-level inter-school archery and football tournament.
Parents and teachers came together for PTM after Term 1 exams on 11th October, reviewing students' progress with positive feedback and encouragement.
Sports and social responsibility defined October for our senior as well as junior students. On 14th and 15th October, Healing Inter-House Basketball and Volleyball finals were held, fostering teamwork and school spirit by the primary wing.
Our primary students visited the old age home on 15th October, spreading smiles and sharing moments of warmth and compassion. On the same day, students from our social service wing went to the village Jalikhera to distribute fruits, food, and stationeries among the people.
The month's most anticipated event, Kaleidoscope, brought creativity alive on 16 October and 17 October, showcasing music, dance, and talent in creativity across all the classes. Competitions like dry cooking, mirror mosaic art, canvas painting, stand-up comedy, mehendi, stone painting, singing, dancing, and many more were conducted. More than 750 students participated in the event.
The festive spirit continued on 17th October as students celebrated Diwali with eco-friendly decor, diyas, and a message of light over darkness.
Later on 28th and 29th October, the inter-school basketball tournament by the senior students saw fierce competition and outstanding performances. The opening day featured Town Inspector Gaurav Singh Bundela as chief guest, with special guests Paras Jain, a noted lawyer, and Sunil Jain, president of the Badminton Association.
The closing ceremony on 29th October was graced by SDOP Virendra Mishra as chief guest and Jitendra Patel, Sarpanch of Mehragaon, as special guest. The directors of the participating schools also graced the occasion. Winners included Boys Champion Team, St. Joseph's Convent High Secondary School, Itarsi. Runner-up Boys,
St. Mary's Co-ed Senior Secondary School, Itarsi.
Girls Champion Team, Eklavya International School, Itarsi. Runner-up Girls, St. Joseph's Convent High Secondary School, Itarsi.
The event concluded with applause, medals, and proud cheers echoing across the court.
On 30th October, students of 11th and 12th embarked on an educational tour to Jaipur, exploring history, heritage, and culture. On 31st October, Josephites participated in a marathon across the city commemorating Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary, celebrating National Unity Day with energy and patriotism.
That same day, my co-anchor Swanna brought laurel to our school by securing third position in inter-school debate competition organized by Pragyan School, Itas.
Sehaj Mihani of class 4th won bronze medal in roller skating competition in Baitul in the division level. He has also participated in the state level competition. Congratulations to our shining stars. Keep soaring high. As we conclude this vibrant quarter, we celebrate not only achievements but also the Josephite spirit of creativity, compassion, and commitment. From classrooms to courts, from performances to pledges,
Our students have once again proven that excellence is a habit at St. Joseph's.
active Josephites always on every high. Like, share, and subscribe.